and welcome to the Residual Royalty Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell more books with Amazon ads and how to get a better ACOS. So this is something that's been working really well for me, and this little trick works for both auto and manual ads. I'm just going to try and keep it really short, but I'm basically just going to show you exactly how to do this inside the Amazon ads dashboard. So this is going to be really good, and I want you to utilize this to get a better ACOS on your own ads. So let's go straight into my Amazon ads dashboard. You can see this advert in particular has spent £92 this month with sales of £464, and the ACOS overall is below 20%. But what's important here is the ACOS of the placement. So maybe you've never even seen this before, but this is very, very important, and you should be doing this for all of your ads, or at least checking this every few days or every week for each of your ads, and this way you can get a better ACOS. So you can see this is an automatic ad, and like I say, this works for both automatic and manual ads, but you can see when the ad kind of aims itself at the top of the search results, it's had 21 orders for £12, which is really good, gives an ACOS of 8%. When it's been targeted at the product pages, it spent £40 almost, and it's had 31 sales, so the ACOS is slightly higher. And in the rest of search, it's not doing quite so well with 43% ACOS. So when you look at this, I've actually spent almost 4 times more on the rest of search for less sales than I've had if I just targeted it at the top of search. So what this means is you don't want to just turn this advert off because the overall ACOS is really good. And there's no way to actually turn this off on its own or turn this off on its own. So what you want to do is create a duplicate. Now, you might not even know how to do this. So all you need to do is go back to the ad, and it's this one here. You can see 19.93% ACOS. You just want to press copy on there, pause new campaigns. We'll keep the start and end date the same. So you just want to press that, and then it's going to take a second. Okay, there you go. So once this has popped up down there, you just press that, see campaign. Gonna have to do some blurring here again for obvious reasons. But what we want to do is click that up there, turn the ad on. Then you want to go into campaign settings. We're gonna have to blur out that name again. What we want to do is keep everything exactly the same, but as we know that top of search is very profitable for us, we can actually increase the bid percentage by the placement. So I usually do something like 40 or 60%, and I'm actually gonna do this in real time because I actually need to do this for this ad anyway. So you can see I'm going to put that one to 60, and because the product pages placement was still profitable at 17%, I'm going to increase this one anyway, something like 28, and that's pretty much all you need to do. So you can now go onto the placements for this one. You can see that's targeted like that. So now we have a duplicate ad, but it's going to be more focused on these two, which is going to give us a better overall ACOS percentage. I just wanted to quickly add before we end the video that on the campaign name, you should keep the campaign name the same on the copy as it was on the previous ad. But at the end of the name, just put a dash and then just put top of search, or just put product pages, depending on which placement you increase the bid for. So that way you know exactly what's working and you know exactly what that is without needing to go into the settings. And you can take my word for it that it works, or I could show you. So if I go down here, obviously the names are blurred out. But this one here, this is a top of search ad because that was the placement that was performing best. And also this one is here. So not this one, sorry. This one here with an ACOS of 20%. Also a really good ad. So I would really recommend doing this, and this is going to help you to get a really good ACOS for both auto and manual ads. And this is just part of the whole ad optimization process that I teach in the Royalty Accelerator course. So if you do want to join that, the link is in the description. It's usually the first link in the description. So make sure you click that, and I'll see you inside the Residual Royalty Academy family and inside the private Facebook group. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you smash the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
They wanna count me out before I'm even up.